Here I have UMIDIGI X, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select the language. I'll just stay with English, then tap Start. Then you can connect your SIM card, but if you don't have it on you, you can just skip this step for now and do it anytime later in settings. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Next you have to set up date and time. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them like that. If you don't want them, you can disable them just like me. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your fingerprint, but you can do this anytime later in settings. Then you can set up any other screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN, password, or you can just skip this step for now and do it anytime later in settings. And that's it. Your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.